सो गाइज वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज का वीडियो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। सो टुडेज़ वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट driving test, driving licenses. I will be talking about how to get your G1, G2 and then G license. And right now I am here at the driving test center of Ottawa, and there are many more smaller center right now because they have a lot of backlog. बहुत सारे लोगों को ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं मिल रहा था. So I'm here and I'll be talking all about this. I'm actually gonna be driving also to see, like, you know, just to learn how to drive on these roads. I have taken few classes and this is my third class. So I will be talking about all these things. So try watching this video till the end. This video will be a really helpful video for you all. And guys, without any delays, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is the car that I'll be driving, and this is our professor for today, Salman sir. And for your reference, he speaks really well in like all the languages. He is also good in French also, and he's from Afghanistan. So
Glad
sir,
to see you guys. And whenever you guys need any help in driving, I have my own school. You can search it in Google, Walkley Driving School. The website is www.walkleydrivingschool.ca, and you can contact me anytime at the school number, which is 613-614-6170. We are located in Ottawa.
he will be training me today, and let's see how the entire journey goes. And sir, आपको कैसा लगता है कि मैं कर लूँगा ना पास?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही होगा।
हाँ।
बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो अभी तक, और बाकी अब का हो जाएगा इसी अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर।
बस यही सुनना था मुझे एक्चुअली, और आप लोग को भी बताना था, मैं ठीक ठाक ड्राइव कर लेता हूँ।
और आप लोगों को पोस्ट करेंगे बहुत जल्दी
यस, कि पूरा प्रोसेस कैसे
बिल्कुल,
होता है।
हाँ।
हम लोग एक छोटा सा डिस्कशन कर लेंगे
बिल्कुल।
आफ्टर दिस सेशन। लेट्स गेट टू ड्राइविंग फर्स्ट एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो।
कर लेंगे किसी टाइम, ठीक है। तो फिर गाड़ी रोड पर रुक जाएगी तो नहीं
ओके।
तो इस टाइम पर ये गाड़ी आइलैंड से निकल गई या काफ़ी दूर कर गई, तो आप जाकर आइलैंड पर गाड़ी सीधी करोगे।
ओके,
स्ट्रेट हो गई आइलैंड पर।
ओके।
अब चला रहे हैं, रुकते नहीं हैं, राइट सिग्नल देंगे। अगर कोई दूसरी गाड़ी उस रोड से आ रही है तो हम रुक जाएंगे आइलैंड पर।
ओके।
अगर नहीं है, हमने टर्न ले लिया, कोई नहीं है, सिग्नल दिया, मिरर शोल्डर करके उस रोड पर कोई नहीं है, मर्ज करके निकल जाए।
ओके। एंड ये गाड़ी अगर रुकी हुई है तब हम लोग भी रुकेंगे, राइट?
ये गाड़ी अगर इधर रुकी हुई है, हमारे रास्ते के आगे, हम अंदर रुक जाएंगे।
ओके। व्हाट इफ ये आगे चला गया?
हाँ, तो फिर तो हमारे पास अगर स्पेस है तो सही है। अगर ये थोड़ा सा आगे चला गया तो फिर तो नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि उसकी विजिबिलिटी ब्लॉक है।
ओके।
अगर ये बहुत आगे चला गया देन वी कैन।
ओके,
ठीक है।
ओके।
तो इस तरह आइलैंड को करेंगे।
ओके, गॉट इट।
Okay, so whoever is coming to Canada, it is better if they bring their back home experience. In Ontario, if you guys are planning to live in Ontario and you guys are planning to get the driving license in Ontario, so the license is categorized. First of all, you are going to pass the theoretical test and you are getting the G1 license. After passing the G1, you are eligible for training, but you can't drive by your own. So after passing you are going your G1 test, you have to wait for 12 months period to pass your G2 test, and after getting the G2, then you are waiting for 12 months more to get your full G license. Like G2 is your probationary period for 1 year. So if you are planning to don't wait like for 12 months, if you bring your back home experience, then you are not waiting for any period of time. Right away from G1 you are going, you can go for the G test or G2 test right away next day.
Okay, so it's not 6 months, it's 12 months.
It is 12 months for both. But if you don't have any experience or you are underage and you didn't drive back home, so no worries. After getting your G1, then we have BDE, beginner driver education courses in our school. Okay. So once you got those ones, then your wait period for the G2 is 8 months instead of 12 months.
Okay.
And with no experience, like your insurance costs are
Hmm.
way too high.
Mhm.
With the benefit of that course is that your insurance companies are going to give you 10 to 15% discount as well.
Oh.
For more information, feel free to give us a call. There will be a number.
Mhm.
Saransh is gonna share it with you guys,
Mhm.
and you can also visit our website, uh, www.walklydrivingschool.ca.
Okay. So guys, like you guys have heard, your DL extract or driving experience counts and makes a huge difference over here, because 12 months waiting is a long time to wait for your driving license, because it's been 8 months for me since I've been here. Though I didn't had enough time to go for these driving license and everything, but now I have time, now I have the motivation and the money to take these tests and go for my G test. So I am going for it. And guys, I must tell you, in Ontario and especially in Ottawa, the public transit is not that good. You need to have your car in like at least 1 year or something. You need to buy a car, because I have been staying here, and it's not like I'm a very privileged person or something. I love to drive in cars and like roam around. I am a person who will prefer a public transport if it's cheaper, but it's not cheaper also. Like if you buy a Presto card here, it's 125. It will cost you around $136 per month just to buy that pass, like to have that monthly pass. So it's not cheap. Things are not cheap. Plus you will have the inconvenience of time. Everywhere you want to go, you want to go for work, you have to leave 1 hour, 1.5 hours, depending on the time. If you are going on weekends, probably you have to leave 1.5 hours before. So things are tough. So I would request you all to get your DL extract, and if you don't have DL extract, go for this driving test that he has said. He's a really good teacher, I would say. Like he is like quite professional in his job. So if you are here in Ottawa region, go ahead, contact him. I will mention the link and the number for him. You can directly contact him, and you can always say like you were referred from Arki Vlogs. He might consider some discounts. He doesn't give discounts generally, but he might. So go ahead, contact him. And guys, one more very important thing is, go ahead, if you like this video, if you like my contents, go ahead, hit a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe. So see you soon. Take care of yourself.